Wait, you PC just like that? Don't worry. Follow these 3 methods, you can get a boost on your Windows PC. I am doing this on a Windows 10 PC. For these steps, you don't need an internet connection. Here are some cool tricks to improve your PC performance. First method is enable high performance mode. Go to the control panel and then click on View By. Then, select the large icons. Go to Power option. Select High Performance. If Ultra Performance available on your PC, just select that. However, you want to select the maximum option. Second method, disable unnecessary startup apps. To do this, you must open Task Manager. Right-click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager option. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut to Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape together. Once you open it, go to the Startup tab. Disable apps you don't need at startup. This means the apps that working on the startup will disabled, so it's give you a huge boost on the startup. Third method is clean up junk files. Open Run application on your computer. Also, you can use the shortcut by pressing Windows button and R together. After opening Run, you can type %temp%. And press Enter. Delete all the files you can find. Don't worry, this aren't delete any personal files, installed programs, or saved game data, and browser history, passwords, or bookmarks. If 1 or 2 files doesn't delete, don't try to remove, because it's running some application or system thing on your PC. Open Run again and type PREFETCH and press Enter. Do the same as before. Deleting temp, which means it only removes unnecessary cached files, logs, and leftovers from installations. Deleting prefetch deletes preloaded app data, but Windows will recreate it as needed. After following every methods, restart your PC and you can see a small or huge boost. It depends on your PC specs. I am researched and created the all tricks from ChatGPT. This is the chart how these methods are speed up your PC. Comment down below if you have a boost on your PC. So, hope you get something from these tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe before living for more PC hacks. Have a nice day then.